Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to fix wrong resolution on Discord camera. So first, what you need to do is go to NVIDIA right here, search for NVIDIA broadcast, this one. Once you're done with that, click on download now, wait for it to finish. For that, click on it, install it. Well, as you can see, I'm installing it right now, just like so. So it will check your system. You just need to agree, continue right here, and go with the recommended options. And wait for this to install, just like so. And there you go, guys. As you can see, the NVIDIA installer has finished. So what you want to do is just close it. And there, once it's open, as you can see, you can now set the NVIDIA broadcast right here. You could put on noise removal. And for the camera, which is what we're here for, and as you can see, you could edit the camera source. For my camera, I can only have up to 1280 by 720. So pick the one that the camera they're using. And once you're done with that, go to Discord, user settings, voice and video. Make sure that the camera, let's close off Discord first so that we can refresh to user settings, voice and video. And as you can see, the camera and video broadcast is here, so you just need to click on that so that the resolution that is used here will be transferred to Discord. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.